In today's video, I'm going to show to you the most hottest app right now, and one of the most trending apps as well in the cryptocurrency space, which is Pi Network. We're going to talk about if this app is a scam, this app is legit or not, and let's see what are the other functionalities, what are they offering, and how you can earn Pi, and what is it current price into the market. So let's just start right here. As you can see here, it says tap here to earn Pi. As you can see, as a contributor, you have secured the Pi transaction history by setting up your security circle. In return, you're rewarded in Pi with a higher earning rate. So let's just tap it right here. And as you can see here, these are my security circle. So you're actually going to earn more if you have like more active security circle, because it gives you more Pi. So um currently, okay, every sometimes, okay, not most of the time, okay, every time you're going to earn, you claim Pi, you're going to get an ad. So probably the users are being sent by an ad, and probably the team are earning money from you just by viewing the ad. So just take it by right here, this 185 Pi right here, it doesn't have any value at all. And that's the trick part here. It is because they're still on the pre-beta phase, which in turn they are actually aiming to make a solid project out of this. They aim to complete the roadmap and to be able to really price this coin right here. So as you can see here, I'm getting around 0.25 Pi per hour. And I think there is a token block right here, on which if they reach a specific number of users, the token that you're going to earn will be a lot more lower than before. So this is more like a first come first served type of scenario. And as you can see here, they do have an updates right here. So they've just released their Pi wallet. um they have been constantly improving the Pi utilities platform. They've integrated with testnet, with Pi browser, the portal, and that's pretty much good as well. So I'm just going to talk to you right here, what are the risks as well. So as you can see here, um, for you to earn Pi, okay, you're currently earning 0.10 per hour. So for each security circle that you're going to add, okay, you're going to get around 0.02 Pi. So this is more like a multi-level marketing for me. Okay, so for the ambassador, if you've invited some people, okay, you're going to earn more Pi. And it really depends on how active they are. So as you can see here, I only have one active, so I'm only getting one active Pi per hour, because they are the only ones who've clicked this platform. So they do have an upcoming node, so that's pretty much good. And they do also have a community chat right here. Of course, you can also have a community group by your earning team and by your pioneers and stuff. So if you're going to ask me if this one is pretty much legit or not, I could probably say that it's pretty much legit, because it made some progress. But in terms of making money on this platform, it is not yet released yet, because I think every Pi is not really it's not really priced yet. So there's currently no value at the market right now. So if you're going to mine this one, okay, if you plan to get an invite from other people, then probably don't expect anything that much. Of course, in terms of money, it is because if you just really believe onto this project long term, then probably you can just continue to mine it. And of course, it is free. Okay, you're just going to go back here every 24 hours. As you can see here, as the time of my video, there are only 23 hours and 56 minutes left remaining for me to earn again. So after this 24 hours, if you didn't click this, you won't earn Pi. So just a reminder, if you're going to play mine into this platform right here, you need to click it every 24 hours. So I think they do have a use case scenario right here, and they also have a lot of other languages, just in case that you don't understand English. So they are translating their their platform into other languages. So let's just go to the white paper right here. So they do have an introduction, they do have a problem, they do have a solution. Okay, they're offering solution that will enable mining on mobile phones. So that this is pretty much skeptical. It is because how you can actually mine on mobile phones without using any of your resources, and I think that's uh, pretty much I don't know. I can't really say bad words, but because when you're mining on mobile phones, the reason why a lot of people doesn't really want to mine on mobile phones, it is because it consumes a lot of power. Of course, it makes your phone really heat, and in this time, I think for in my perspective, okay, I think you're just earning, you're just mining on your mobile phones, basing on the referrals that you're getting. So if you have more referrals onto the bottom, then you can actually like mine more. However, what you've mined here doesn't really have any value at all, so you are also stuck with the long-term perspective that it will have a value, it will have a really legit stuff. And I think that is it for this video, guys. I just really made a short introduction and review about this project. However, it is really worth it. I think it's pretty much worth it. But of course, you will be sent by an ad sometimes, occasionally. And I think that's how, I mean, the ads that you're getting are at are what makes this project alive, because it is pretty much one of their sources of income. Of course, they do also have their data, but I just really hope that they really don't do anything about it other than running an ad. Okay, so that is it for this video, and I see you on the next one.